What happens if you eat ginger every day? Are you looking for a natural way to improve your overall health and address various common ailments? Many people struggle with health issues and may not realize the potential benefits of a simple yet powerful ingredient, ginger. Its remarkable properties extend far beyond just adding flavor to your meals. Ignoring the potential of ginger means missing out on a host of advantages. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of incorporating ginger into your daily routine. Discover how ginger can be the solution to a range of health concerns and enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your food. Just a heads up, this video is for informational purposes only. If you feel unwell, please talk to your doctor. Number 1. Boosts the immune system. Ginger can enhance the immune system in various ways, as indicated by recent research findings. Here are some of the ways in which ginger can strengthen the immune system. Activation of white blood cells. Ginger contains a strong compound called gingerol, which can activate white blood cells and heighten their vigilance. This process involves a certain receptor that plays a role in sensing painful heat and spiciness in food. Fight against bacteria and viruses. Ginger possesses antibacterial and antiviral qualities that contribute to maintaining good health. Specific chemical components in fresh ginger can inhibit the growth of bacteria like E. coli and Shigella, and they may also help fend off viruses such as RSV. Reduction of inflammation. Ginger is equipped with anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system, so mitigating it can provide a boost to the immune system. Enhanced immune shots. Immune-boosting shots containing ginger, available in most stores or online, may also incorporate other beneficial ingredients such as turmeric, echinacea, and probiotics. Turmeric, like ginger, is another food rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Combining these elements in one shot can offer a multitude of nutrients simultaneously. In summary, ginger can fortify the immune system through the activation of white blood cells, its antibacterial and antiviral characteristics, and its anti-inflammatory qualities. Number 2. Ease anxiety. Ginger has the ability to lower anxiety by connecting with certain brain receptors called serotonin receptors. According to a study, ginger decreases anxiety by interacting with these serotonin receptors. Moreover, ginger aids in boosting levels of two important chemicals in the body, dopamine and serotonin, in a natural way. By doing so, it helps maintain the right balance of these vital chemicals. Since low levels of these chemicals are linked to depression, some individuals might notice an improvement in their depression symptoms by regularly incorporating ginger into their routine. Lastly, ginger possesses 14 distinctive bioactive compounds and antioxidants that can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation within the body. This, in turn, can contribute to a reduction in anxiety. Consuming ginger tonic can be an effective method for reducing anxiety. Preparing ginger tonic involves steeping fresh ginger in hot water. This tonic is a valuable source of antioxidants and has the potential to reduce anxiety. Number 3. Relieves menstrual cramps. Studies indicate that ginger might work as well as common pain relievers like ibuprofen in reducing menstrual cramps. In a particular research trial, women were provided with either ginger or a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medication, or an NSAID, during the initial 3 days of their menstrual cycle. The results demonstrated that ginger reduced pain with a similar effectiveness to the NSAIDs. Consequently, ginger could serve as a natural substitute for over-the-counter pain medications when seeking relief from menstrual pain. Found these tips helpful? If you do, please like and subscribe. You'll be the first to hear about more content like this. Thanks for learning with us. Number 4. Improves digestion. Ginger offers several ways to enhance digestion based on recent studies. Here are some of the methods through which ginger can assist in improving digestion. Enhances digestion speed. Ginger quickens the digestion process, causing the stomach to empty faster. Research reveals that individuals who incorporate ginger into their diet digest their food twice as swiftly as those who do not. Ginger boosts movement within the digestive tract and encourages the production of beneficial enzymes that break down the foods we consume. Reduces bloating and gas. Ginger can decrease bloating and gas by relaxing the muscles in the intestines and decreasing inflammation in the gut. Prevents dyspepsia. Ginger can prevent dyspepsia, flatulence, and bloating by lessening pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter and minimizing intestinal cramps. Relieves nausea. Ginger is commonly recognized as an anti-nausea remedy. It accomplishes this through its anti-inflammatory characteristics, improved digestive responsiveness, and regulation of blood pressure regulating hormones, which have a calming effect on the body. Ginger can be beneficial for reducing morning sickness and mitigating nausea following cancer treatment. Stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. Ginger can stimulate the creation of digestive enzymes, which can enhance the breakdown of food within the stomach. Prevents gastrointestinal disturbances. Ginger can prevent gastrointestinal disturbances resulting from physical activity. As demonstrated in one study, a daily intake of 500 milligrams of ginger can reduce post-surgery nausea and vomiting. Ginger can enhance digestion by expediting the digestive process, minimizing bloating and gas, averting dyspepsia, reducing nausea, promoting the generation of digestive enzymes, and preventing gastrointestinal disturbances. Number 5. Improves blood sugar level. Ginger offers several positive effects on blood sugar levels. It can decrease sugar absorption from the gut, raise insulin production, a hormone that aids sugar use for energy, enhance cell responsiveness to insulin, slow the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. Moreover, ginger possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, protecting the body from harm linked to elevated blood sugar. Research indicates ginger's potential to reduce blood sugar, such as a study revealing a 12% drop in fasting blood sugar levels among type 2 diabetes patients after taking ginger extract. Number 6. Reduces risk of heart disease. Ginger possesses additional qualities beyond its usual traits. It acts as a substance that makes your blood less likely to clot, and this is advantageous for preventing heart-related problems. Blood thinners decrease the chances of blood clots forming, which in turn reduces the likelihood of experiencing heart attacks or strokes. Another manner in which ginger protects against heart disease is by reducing blood pressure and lowering cholesterol levels. The accumulation of cholesterol can block arteries and elevate the probability of heart-related issues. Moreover, ginger enhances blood flow and reduces blood sugar levels, which contributes to maintaining the heart's optimal performance. Number 7. Aids in weight loss. According to experts, research indicates that ginger may be effective in managing obesity. Ginger can influence how your body burns fat, processes carbohydrates, and uses insulin. Scientists also propose that ginger can limit the amount of fat your body absorbs and regulate your appetite. Particularly exciting is the finding that ginger seems to help reduce obesity caused by a high-fat diet. This means that incorporating ginger into your daily routine could be beneficial, especially if you're just beginning to adopt a healthier diet. Increasing your ginger consumption could serve as a positive step in your wellness plan and a feasible goal on your path to achieving a successful lifestyle change for better health. Number 8. Reduces muscle pain and soreness. Experiencing muscle discomfort and stiffness, particularly after a strenuous exercise session, is a common occurrence. It can noticeably diminish your ability to work effectively and move comfortably. Scientific investigations have indicated that consuming small amounts of fresh or cooked ginger daily can reduce muscle discomfort. The research revealed that individuals who included ginger in their daily diet experienced quicker recovery from muscle soreness compared to those who did not consume ginger. Those who did not incorporate ginger into their diet took a longer time to recuperate. Number 9. Aids acid reflux. Acid reflux can be unpleasant, striking at any time and in any place. However, incorporating ginger into your daily routine can help reduce its impact and frequency. The beneficial compounds in ginger are also present in medications for acid reflux, making ginger a safe and natural alternative for managing this condition. Moreover, consistently including ginger in your diet can serve as a preventive measure against acid reflux. You can achieve this by drinking a daily cup of ginger tea or adding some ginger slices to your meals to minimize the occurrence of acid reflux. Number 10. Helps with asthma. Asthma, a long-lasting lung condition, makes it hard to breathe. The tubes that carry air into your lungs, called airways, get inflamed and narrow. This leads to breathing problems, like feeling out of breath, wheezing, and coughing. While asthma can't be cured, many people can handle their symptoms well enough to keep asthma in check without using inhalers or medications every day. Ginger, found in ginger root, helps to calm the muscles in your lung airways. This eases the inflammation and makes breathing easier. It also reduces the amount of mucus your lungs produce, which makes it simpler to cough up mucus if you're having trouble breathing. If you're struggling to breathe, you can try juicing 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root and drinking it as soon as possible. Alternatively, you can make ginger tea. Just put 1 teaspoon of grated ginger root into a cup of water and boil it for 5 minutes. This can help ease your breathing difficulties. Is ginger safe for your health? Ginger is generally considered safe to eat, but it's important to use it in moderation. While it usually doesn't cause any problems, it can interact with certain medications and herbal supplements. Ginger may also lower your blood sugar levels and affect how your body processes other herbs, vitamins, or medicines. Some people might experience mild digestive issues like bloating, nausea, or diarrhea after eating ginger. If you have gallstones, it's best to avoid ginger because it can make your symptoms worse. It's especially important to talk to your doctor before using ginger if you have diabetes, a bleeding disorder like hemophilia, or if you're taking medications for these conditions. Ginger might also interact with specific heart medications, so if you're on any of these medicines, it's a good idea to consult your doctor before adding ginger to your diet. While ginger has many potential benefits, it's essential to be cautious and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or medical conditions. Ginger can be a valuable addition to your diet, offering relief for various symptoms and discomfort. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable tool for those focused on improving their health. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To find more info and links about today's video, make sure to look at the description below. Thanks for watching.